I've been exploring Coursive.io for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Coursive.io. First, let's talk about what Coursive.io actually is. It's an online learning platform that markets itself as a hub for AI-related education. Courses meant to teach you how to use artificial intelligence tools in business, productivity, and creative projects. On the surface, it looks sleek and promises to give you the ultimate AI mastery experience through hands-on lessons and a satisfaction guarantee. Sounds good, right? But what do you really get once you sign up? From various user experiences, including those shared on Reddit and review forums, the story isn't entirely rosy. Many learners report that the course content feels extremely basic, more like a surface-level overview than practical, in-depth instruction. For instance, one Reddit user mentioned that Course's lessons were incredibly superficial and didn't offer any real steps on how to apply the AI tools they talked about. Others felt the material seemed rushed or even auto-generated, which certainly doesn't inspire confidence. Then there's the matter of customer service and refunds. This is where most of the frustration piles up. Despite promoting a satisfaction guarantee, several users shared that when they tried to request a refund, they hit a brick wall. The fine print reportedly makes it nearly impossible to qualify for a refund, no matter how valid your reason. Some users even said their Trustpilot reviews were challenged or removed after posting negative feedback. That's a serious red flag about transparency and accountability. But let's be fair, not everyone hated their experience. A handful of users did point out that Coursive can be helpful for absolute beginners. If you're just dipping your toes into the AI space and want a broad overview of different tools without diving too deep, it might serve as a quick starting point. One person mentioned they appreciated how it introduced various apps and their use cases, even if it didn't teach practical implementation. So while it's not great for advanced users, it might have some introductory value. However, what consistently comes up is that Coursive's marketing oversells the experience. Words like AI for business transformation create an expectation of hands-on mastery and specialized training. Instead, most users describe it as a collection of light summaries you could easily find for free on YouTube or Coursera. And that brings us to the price. For what it delivers, many feel it simply isn't worth the cost. So here's the bottom line. Coursive.io looks legitimate on the surface but raises multiple red flags once you dig deeper. The course quality doesn't justify the price, the refund policy appears misleading, and the company's approach to criticism feels defensive. If you're just curious about AI tools, you might get something out of it. But if you're expecting an intensive skill-building experience or value for your money, this probably isn't it. And honestly, you'll find far better and more transparent options elsewhere, many of them free or from well-established learning platforms. In short, Coursive.io is one of those services that promises more than it delivers. It isn't an outright scam in the criminal sense, but it definitely treads that thin line where misleading marketing meets underwhelming execution. If you're considering it, proceed with caution and do your research before you click that Enroll Now button. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.